Hi everybody, welcome to Alex's first episode of Tuki TV. Today we're going to do our Animal Planet Hatch Ems. It's a 3-pack of eggs, series 1. And they're really cool dinosaur eggs that take about a couple of days to melt in the water, and then we get a surprise when they hatch. I already have our 3 glasses of water set up so we can drop our eggs in and watch them go. So let's unwrap our packaging.
Yip, yip, hooray.
Yip, 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 hooray.
Let me open this.
Go ahead, open that up, babe.
Oh, no, open. Too hard.
It's too hard?
Yeah.
No, it's just stuck together. We don't want our eggs to break.
It's fun. I'm gonna go
Ooh,
for it.
okay.
Wait, let's open. Open again.
There goes number 1 egg.
Mom. We do.
Number 2 egg.
5.
And number 5, number 3 egg. So what we're going to have to do now is we're going to have to add a little bit more water to the cups because there's not enough. They should be covered. So Alex is going to help me add the water.
Got me a hatching. Got me Mama hatching.
It's not hatching yet, silly Billy.
Yeah.
No, we have to add more water to the cups.
I'm on for it.
Yeah, so we're going to do that now. Okay, here. Nice and careful. Let's add the water in. Help me do it. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, and let's do the last one. Perfect. Now we're going to see if they fill up with water.
No face.
And hopefully they float to the bottom and start soaking it all in. And then every day we have to change the water. So stay tuned because until they hatch, we'll make a few more episodes on the progress of our eggs. And hopefully we get something really cool. All right, Alex, say thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.